Large language models can write essays, code, and answer almost anything. But underneath, they do one shockingly simple thing, over and over. In this video, in plain English, what an LLM really does, how it turns your words into tokens, embeddings, and attention, how it predicts the next word, and how training makes it useful. No math required. Here is the one-line truth. An LLM is a next token predictor. Given some text, it guesses the next small piece of text, adds it, and guesses again. That is it. Everything else, the essays, the code, the conversations, comes from doing this incredibly well, one token at a time. Step 1. Tokenization. The model does not see words, it sees tokens, small chunks of text. A token can be a whole word, part of a word, or even punctuation. The text is split into tokens, and each token becomes a number, an ID, from the model's vocabulary. So unhappiness might become 3 tokens, not 1. Step 2. Embeddings. Each token ID is turned into a vector, a long list of numbers that captures its meaning. Similar words get similar vectors. The model also adds positional information, so it knows the order of the tokens. Now your sentence is a grid of numbers the network can work with. Step 3. Attention, the heart of the transformer. For every token, the model looks at all the other tokens and decides which ones matter most for predicting what comes next. In the cat sat on the blank, the word mat is suggested by cat and sat. Attention is how the model gathers context from across the whole sentence, in parallel. Step 4. Predict the next token. After several layers of attention, the model outputs a score for every token in its vocabulary, then turns those into probabilities. The cat sat on the might give mat 60%, floor 20%, and so on. The highest are the most likely next tokens. Now the magic, it loops. The model picks a next token, appends it to the text, and feeds the whole thing back in to predict the next one. Predict, append, repeat. This is called autoregressive generation, and it is why answers stream out one word at a time. But how does it pick? With greedy decoding, it always takes the top token, safe, but repetitive. With sampling, it rolls the dice using the probabilities. Temperature controls how adventurous that is, low temperature is focused and predictable, high temperature is creative but riskier. Top P keeps only the most likely options to choose from. Where does the skill come from? Training, in 2 stages. First, pre-training, the model reads a huge slice of the internet and just practices predicting the next token, billions of times. Then fine-tuning, including learning from human feedback, which shapes it to be helpful, honest, and safe to talk to. 2 things this explains. Hallucinations, the model predicts plausible-sounding text, not verified facts, so it can state wrong things confidently. And the context window, it can only attend to a limited amount of text at once, that is its working memory. Go past it, and earlier details drop off. So here is the mental model. An LLM turns your words into tokens, into vectors, uses attention to gather context, predicts the next token, and loops simple idea, staggering results. Understand this, and the rest of AI makes a lot more sense. Follow for more simple AI explainers.